How to apply Bass Boost in AudioLab. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are on the main dashboard. Next, scroll down to the Effects section and tap on it. Then import the audio file that you want to apply Bass Boost. From the list of available effects, select the Bass and Treble option. Here you will see controls for bass and treble. Adjust the bass slider to increase or decrease the bass level according to your preference. Play the audio while making adjustments to hear the changes in real time and ensure the bass is enhanced without distorting the audio quality. Once you are satisfied with the bass boost, tap the Save button to apply the changes. The edited audio file will be saved on your device and is ready for further editing, adding effects or sharing. Using the bass control in AudioLab allows you to make your music, podcast or recording sounds deeper, richer and more professional. Now you know how to apply Bass Boost in AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more audio editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.